Yeah.
Visible classes, divided spaces, and forever lasting stresses. Everybody's man, keep people with fingers and Twitter. More than a gun, more than another tip when your tongue just glitter.
It's a fucking visual, dude. What's good, everybody? It's One Too Many Reactions. Nick said he needs a hat, so he'll be back in a little bit. But for now, this is our first film of the day. He's probably actually like in there picking different hats, right? Like he's trying a couple on, seeing which one matches the fit, and yeah, that one looks tight. That one looks tight.
Thanks.
We're gonna get to this V video now, baby. Let's get it. Hey. Love y'all. Got my phone.
Text message. I like the aesthetic of it. It has that like 16mm film type deal.
It feels like it's gonna get into like a groovy song a little bit too, and
Yeah.
I'm curious to see what White Hair V brings to the table. You know what I'm saying? What does this form do?
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like staring at my phone, a cage. Hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 맨날 time with you.
Oh, that little dog is cute as hell.
For your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 맨날 time with you is so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same.
One of those plates better be for his dog.
Yeah, you always gotta give the puppy a little something too, you know.
Give me a plate.
Haven't changed, I'm still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시 Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
It was weird. I've never heard his voice sound like this before. He's doing something. I don't know enough about vocals to really describe it, but like
Yeah.
he's like he's got like a different like raspy tone than he normally has. I feel like, and I feel like he's kind of fitting the general mood and vibe of the song better than.
Yeah, I can't like. I would need to hear him a comparison.
Yeah.
to
It's just-
I don't know him well enough.
I think it's slightly intentional. It almost sounds like kind of RM-esque when he sings, but because he kind of does that like drop down like thing. But V obviously probably has more like vocal range. V for vocal range. Huh?
Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew
I
how.
love the percussion in the background to it. That makes everything so much better for me. Just like having that like rhythm in the background, dude.
I like the whimsical like. Is that like a harpy kind of sound to it? The
Whimsical.
Yeah. it
So
sounds
is that like
kinda
a
whimsical.
popsicle that you just eat out of nowhere?
I woke up 2 a.m., dude. I just had to have a whimsical real quick.
Find the way right back
That's
to
like a piano.
you.
Yeah.
On rainy days, like.
That was wild. That went from like computer engineer to like real photo almost like.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말 We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. 너는 나의 late clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
Yeah. That was good too. I actually think both songs that we've heard from him so far on this album have been like, or I think he's dropping an album. He's doing like a large video rollout. Like I think there's like 5 videos that are gonna come along with it or something.
Oh, nice.
But like I think they've both been pretty cool. I'm interested to see like what else he does too though. Like they've both been like the slower like love songs kind of things.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, the first one wasn't necessarily slow, but same tone. I feel like kind of. I wonder if that's gonna be like sort of the concept of the album. I wonder if he actually went through a breakup. Because sometimes that can make a whole album like that.
Yeah, the reflection of whatever's going on with him.
Y'all would know better than we would.
Yeah, I do really enjoy this song though, and I love the like along with the actual music, both the videos have been great too.
Very artistic videos.
Yeah,
he's got like a vibe to his videos that are
he has more
flavor. like
independent, filmy kind of stuff going on rather than these like big productions.
V for Vendetta, independent films.
Very independent.
That was cool.
Yeah, enjoyed it.
Alright, we'll see you on the next one. We're probably going to get to more V. We're going to get to more BTS. We're going to get to more all that stuff. See you later. Like, comment, subscribe. We love you. Oh, and Patreon if you want. And follow us on Instagram.